Hello. Today I'm going to be sharing a way that you can split a large multi-page PDF into separate files for free. We'll be splitting a PDF file that is over 500 megabytes in size, and we'll be using a tool called PDFSAM to do it. The setup is really quick, so let's get right into it. Go to pdfsam.org in your web browser. In the top menu, click on PDFSAM Basic and then Download. Find your operating system. I'm on Windows. Click on the download link. Wait for it to download. Once it's done, go to your Downloads folder. We have to unzip the folder. Right-click on it and select Extract All. Click on Extract. Here's the extracted folder. Go to the PDFSAM folder and in here, double-click on the application file. It will be a green icon. Now we have PDFSAM set up and we're ready to use it. We want to split a file, so under Split Tools, select Split. You can either select your PDF that you want to split, or you can just drag and drop it here. I'm using this file that is 514 megabytes. Let's drag and drop it. There are some split settings you can choose. I'm selecting split after every page, but you can also choose to split after specific pages. You can choose the location to save the files to. It defaults to the location of the file that you are splitting, and I'm going to keep that as my output location. You can also select a prefix if you choose. I will just keep it as PDFSAM for this demonstration. Then click on Run. It's giving this message saying that the selected directory is not empty, and this is just because there's already a file in the location where the files are going to be saved. I will select Skip to prevent any files from being overwritten. Wait for it to finish. I'll just speed this up a bit. That took about 45 seconds to complete. And now it's done, and it has split up all of the pages in the PDF. So we now have 4,056 separate files in our folder. This is a very convenient tool that's able to handle large files, unlike most of the online tools that I've tried. And the setup is really fast and easy, and it's also free, so I recommend it if you have a large PDF or any PDF that you need to split. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like this video, share it, leave a comment below, and subscribe to my channel.